The little kitten was very playful. One day, while playing, she wandered into the kitchen. There was a bowl of milk placed on the table. Suddenly, her tail hit the bowl and the milk spilled everywhere. Mama Cat heard the noise and rushed in. Who spilled the milk? She asked. The kitten lowered her eyes and quickly said, "It fell because of my tail." Mama Cat smiled and said, "Sweetheart, the tail is yours, is not it?" The kitten realized her mistake. Feeling embarrassed, she said, "Yes, Mama, it was my fault." Mama lovingly hugged her and said, "Those who tell the truth are always brave. A lie, big or small, only causes harm." The kitten smiled and promised, "Mama, from now on, I will always tell the truth."